everyone, it's Gretchen here and Samantha.
Hi.
We went to Yankee Candle's SAS sale and we did pretty darn good. So I'll show you what we got. You want to go first?
Yeah. So they're all nice and wrapped.
I had been eyeing this up since Halloween and I almost got it. And this time it was 75% off.
There.
Dun, dun, dun. Look, oh my gosh, how pretty. It's a large candle jar holder. It's the one from Halloween. Has the gold interior. And then it's the cutout of the ravens, crows. And there is the bottom. And we got it for 75% off.
Yeah.
I have my receipt somewhere. So while she's getting the next thing out, I'll tell you how much it was. Get that receipt. What's we got there? Okay, oh, so I had a coupon for small tumblers. They were buy one, get two free, buy three for the price of one. So they were five something a piece. Yeah, $15.99 for one, but we got that. So the buy one, get two free. And I'm still trying to find this.
I like the smell of this one.
Yeah, they were $5.33 each. Oh, $5.75. Pretty nice.
Yeah. Most definitely.
So we have some other small tumblers.
This stuff's easier.
That's probably one. So this is a 1 wick North Pole peppermint vanilla. Smells good.
And this is Spice Pumpkin Harvest Apple Pumpkin.
That was 75% off too. That was not part of the small tumblers. But it smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So this was over on a special display. 2 wick, the softer wax. Smells good.
Yeah, it really does.
Spice pumpkins up first. It's pretty. 75% off.
And then one of these.
Yeah, that's probably one. I'm trying to figure out how much that. Oh, this was $6.25. Normally $24.99.
Oh, this one's all fancy.
Yeah, that was part of the
This is a
buy one get two free.
fresh baked apple cake cup. I remember when you picked this out. I didn't realize it had the pretty.
Yeah.
Has pretty little sparkles. Sparkles.
Did you smell it?
Yeah, I remember this one.
Yeah.
It's a nice one.
Yeah. It smells, it takes a while for the apple to break through, but it smells a little funky at first, I think.
I like it though.
It's pretty. And then there's one more to go with that. Oh, that has a gold lid. That one has a silver lid. And then I picked up Christmas Eve. And I don't know, how would you describe that? Kind of fruity, berry smelling.
Yeah.
They had a lot there you could pick from. So that's the small tumblers.
This is one I got for my room. It's the little beads.
Yeah, they were $3.
Sunset fields.
They just had the bins in the middle.
I like this. It's so you don't have to light a candle or nothing. It's just the beads. Oh, and then you got these.
Oh, these were $5. I just picked up some tea lights and spice pumpkin. And a fragrance spray in North Pole. I was actually looking for the plugins for this, but she said they did not make it this year when I asked her. So I grabbed a spray for the powder room.
And then a whole bunch of these little mini candle things. What are these? The woodwick, and they burn? Like they crackle when they burn?
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
The $1 a piece, right? Yeah, they were $1 a piece.
Got like currant, smells really nice. It's fruity. I got this one, apple basket. It pretty much smells like apples.
Right, smell that.
Yeah, it's nice. Oatmeal cookie. It's pretty sweet, you know. And then, yeah, pomegranate, which also smells kind of fruity, like pomegranate. And then another oatmeal cookie one. And then I like this one, the Redwood, because it's, you know, since it's the woodwick and it crackles when it burns and stuff. I thought it was a nice little touch for it.
So $1. I mean, you can give it a try. Guess if you like it.
Yeah.
I like it.
And they make like bigger versions of the candles if, you know, if you want an actual candle like that.
And our last bag. Yeah, just have the big ceramic turkeys.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
75% off. I didn't even know they even had them. And I'm looking over and I'm like, look, it holds a votive. It's a ceramic turkey.
Here's its twin.
So this one was originally $12.99, and I got it for $3.25. And is that the little one?
It's this twin.
So I got 2 of these, and they also had taper holders for 75% off that look just like it, but a smaller hole. Cute. And then I got the Big Mama turkey.
Oh yeah.
Regularly $24.99, and I got it for $6.25.
This one they wrapped up.
I didn't know they even had these. And actually, I pulled this one off of the shelf where I got that. And then we were cashing out, and they were right there by the register on the floor.
They even had, they had all different sizes. They had one that was even a little bit smaller than the other small ones that we got.
There you go.
Oh,
cute.
Cool. That's what I was looking for.
And Samantha picked this up.
Yeah, it was 50% off.
Yeah.
I want to say.
Yeah, so it was what, $4? $3.99.
Yeah, I got it to match or to use for the little woodwick petite candles. It's a, you know, little candle holder, so I can put on my dresser, and then I can, you know, have something that I can sit the candle on top of. But I like it because it's a cute little design, you know. It's nice.
Yeah, marble.
Yeah. And then, just a few things left.
These were $1 a piece. I think I'm going to throw them in my burn and melt right now. They are Tarts in North Pole, and they smell good.
Yeah. And then,
So 4.
the last few things, these easy melt cups. They're, I forget how you said they work. You have like a burner.
Oh, centerpiece.
Yeah. And you put them in there.
So I have one down
Honey
here.
Crisp apple cider.
And then I have one upstairs, and she's going to use the one upstairs for her
Yeah.
stuff. She got the Honey Crisp apple cider.
And this is iced gingerbread.
And they were
So,
$3 a piece.
They're called easy melt cups.
But they had a sale going on when we were there. You could get the regular melt cups. I think they were buy 3 get 1 free or something like that. So I think that's everything. And a coupon says, add a little calm each day. New spring fragrance. A calm and quiet place. And then the coupon is actually good for a free gift. There's some of the new things coming out. Juicy citrus and sea salt.
Oh, that sounds
Sweet
good.
Nothings, early spring bloom, A Calm and Quiet Place in Sun-Drenched Apricot Rose.
So spring.
Yeah.
Very
Good from
nice.
January 16th of 2018 through February 11th, 2018. So that was our Yankee Candle SAS sale.
We did good.
Yeah, it was really raining hard that day too. We got soaked. Well, after we walked and walked. So anyways,
Yeah.
watch out next. We're going to put up a Bath & Body Works SAS sale.
Yay.
Yay. Bye.